Joining me now for the final trade of the day is Mark Sebastian of Option Pit Mentoring, taking a look at Procter & Gamble. Good to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me.
This is a big story.
Yeah, Procter & Gamble, one of the bellwethers, one of the blue chippers, has been really boring. I mean, there's boring good and boring bad. When the market's in a huge rally, you know, the S&P has had a great year so far on top of a decent 2016, and I'm one of the 10 biggest companies and I've done nothing. That is a problem.
You've got Amazon just all over the place here now. So you have to have a new strategy, right?
Right. Well, there's no reason that they can't develop a really good partnership with Walmart and Jet.com and some of the other things that they offer to really position themselves to kind of hit both heads, hit the in-store and online, but they've been unwilling to kind of make that jump, and I think that is what this group is trying to force them to do, which could really spur some growth in the company. This is a huge company that should be growing with the internet age and procurement with all the amazing products that they have, and has not, and it's because their strategy's been a little off. That's what I think they're here to fix.
What do you see as the trade?
I think that this is a name that is going to go higher, especially if they can get a seat on the board, if things move along amicably. I think that there's no reason Procter & Gamble shouldn't make a run at 90 or 95. Once the stock breaks 90, it tends to go to 100. That would be about where I target if they're able to get something going with you know, amicably. If it turns into a big proxy war, the stock's just going to sit there. So I'm going to be staying tuned on that, but I like the name to go higher.
What would be an option strategy on this stock?
Well, when I look at the options, I see some real value in upside calls. I can go out to January of 2018, bet about $1.40 on an $88 stock, so less than 2% of the cost of the stock, and on the 90 calls. So anywhere above 91.40, a small move, we're talking what, less than 5%, and I'm a big winner on those calls. That's the trade I would do in options.
Thanks for coming on the show, Mark. Have a good trading day.
You too.